Hello peeps! Just got out of the gym. I got some packages in. Yesterday I wasn't here, so I got that notice letter. I just went and picked these up. Ah, someone just flushed the toilet. No, that's it. Great.
It's coffee machine!
Alright.
How does it look?
So I got this job to do. It's a Mazda. Mazda CX-9 door handle that I'm going to be changing out. How does this even work?
Maybe it needs to be clipped in.
Yeah. Anyways, it doesn't look too bad. If he's not too hard on it, it should be fine.
It's a new one?
Yeah, it's brand spanking new. Left. We're doing the left driver's door. It goes like this. And the handle that he has, like all of this has come off. Like this piece is still on it. And this piece kind of looks broke. Anyways, I told him it was going to be black, because if not, color coded was like $200 bucks. And with this one, I'm going to be able to do the whole job for $200 bucks. So that's going to be, I don't know if I'm going to do a video about that right yet, because it's
A new neighbor.
It's my customer's cars too. It's my neighbor, and not everybody agrees on that. But anything personal, which like I'm opening right now, you guys will see for sure.
Or any clients that will accept, will ask them prior.
Yeah, and it's weird here in Quebec, because people will get like a weird feel about it, a weird mentality. But I mean, if I film everything I do, you know the job is done right. We got some bison meat here.
Bison? I think it's deer.
Oh dear. Oh dear.
Oh dear, dear. Dear
Got that cooking up for
peeps.
lunch with sweet potatoes. Trying to cut down a bit. I'm feeling like thick and sore, but it's only been a month back. I'm gonna start dropping weight soon. Yeah, that's stuck in there. So we got Spec D. Spec D exhaust. Goddamn, much bigger than the picture.
Is it?
Oh yeah.
Will that make a lot of noise?
I know, because it comes with a silencer.
Oh, it's the one with the silencer.
Yeah. Okay, well, let's start with this piece. It'll be easy to take out. God, I don't know why they do that with their gaskets and bolts. They should put the shit in a different box, a bag or whatever. So this is the high flow cat. Actually, no, this isn't a cat at all. This is a resonator.
There's a flexible in it, kind of.
It's weird. It kind of goes like this. I don't know why it's pointing downwards. But it's cool because all the brackets are on it. You just need to... Give me a minute. I'm going to remove that. It's fucking...
Whoop. Here goes the ball.
I'll just leave it there. I'll get it. Oh.
Is it good? It's
Oh, yeah,
like
it's fine.
Bented.
And a lot of people...
Oh,
will-
it's a... What is it made of? It's the thing
Lead,
that
so
you...
don't touch it too much.
Oh.
So, I don't know if it was used or just sitting around. I think he told me it was new in box, so... It's stainless steel. Should last a little while. Especially on a... Yes, sweet potatoes, we know you're ready. Oh, there's no bolt on that one.
There's a missing bolt?
No, well, there's no nut. They're all there so far.
Okay.
Like to look at the weld quality. It looks pretty good.
Mm-hmm. Does it look like a grind?
No, no
One?
grinding there. Probably machine done. This is for sure a little bit. No, I think it's about the same size as stock. This is going to go from the
A
cat.
little bigger.
I think it's about like this on the car. I have no idea.
We'll figure it out.
I'll mock it up. I'll show you guys what it looks like mocked up. It feels like there's a dent on there on one side. Not a big one. Nothing to really worry about. Oh, at least this didn't fall out.
Yay. But there's still a missing bolt. There's a missing bolt.
Well, I got bolts. Damn it. I can see Deutsch. That's a chromy one anyway.
Mm-hmm.
Oh god, there's like nothing in there. Yeah, there's a silencer. There goes another nut. So the main reason why I bought this whole system is from the piping all the way to my high flow cat and header that I bought. If I really don't like the sound of this muffler, I'm going to get myself my vibrant that I used to have. Can you hold on to that for a second? Just don't want all this shit everywhere. Because I know a vibrant sounds really good. It's got a deep tone. This is like empty, so. But all the brackets are there. It's probably going to look pretty nice, actually, if it's not too loud. I'll just keep it the way it is. But there's more parts of the EP3, which might go up for sale once I'm done doing everything to it. There's another bolt in here. Not bolt, yeah, bolt. So it should be 2, 4, 6, 7. 2, 4, 6. Oh, there's one here. One down in here. They're all there? Yep. Perfect. Didn't lose anything in shipping because the box is like, hello, shipping. Yeah. Oh, let's tend to the meat because I can smell it. Just flip it back. It's not too bad. Not too bad.
Good.
I always like to cook my meat pretty thoroughly. Don't want no E. coli or anything like that. Keep that off there. So that's the unbox of the Spec V. There's nothing left here. Just like a full exhaust did not cost me a lot.
It's good.
Yeah, so if I don't like this, I'm just going to fucking bub it off. Keep these, bub them off. And I can always eventually sell the can like at my twin one I got on there now. Holy fuck, that thing is so loud. I like a car that you can hear but not obnoxiously loud, and it's obnoxiously loud. It's spitting flames. The EP3, if I go whoop, 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 I can see flames coming out the back. It's just too much. Especially here in Quebec. I mean, fuck, I'm going to be pulled over like that. So this, hopefully with the silencer, it won't be too aggressive. And if I, want to hear it a bit more, I could take it off, just to fuck around or go to the track day or whatever. I'll take it off. But I'm pretty sure that, it'll be okay. If not, like I said, I'll just replace it. And I technically bought this whole kit for the piping because it's stainless, and the one I got on there is really rusty. And I just need to swap it all out. So with that, I'm out of here. And future job down the road. Get you guys later. Hello, peeps. Looks like customs got into my package. Sounds kind of broken-ish. Oh, for Maverick or Spark.
Oh.
What the hell? These are for servos. I don't even know why that's in there. Big enough for a tablet, good enough for a phone. A phone you would put in this way and the tablet that way. I'm like, I'll put my phone in it, you'll see, but no, not really. I'm filming with it right now. I guess this goes in the controller. Oh, it feels more sturdy than what I thought it was going to be.
Hard, thick plastic.
Yeah. I'm going to let this warm up because it's really cold outside and I don't want to snap it. But that has nothing to do with what's in this box.
Really?
No. These are servo horns for like an RC car or a plane or whatever. Maybe it was a present of something I don't really need.
Or it's it's a gift.
Oh, they do that for custom so I don't have to pay duty. But I'll get my controller. One sec, I'll be back. Where did I put it? So yeah, what happens is when you have your smartphone in here, it's flat. When you hold it flat, you got a lot of reflection of the sky above you. So this piece goes this way. I almost put it in backwards. You line it up nice and good. And then you'll have this here, or this way. And then you can put your phone in there and it'll be closer to your face. Yeah. So this is really cool. And it gets, you know, because I kind of hold the controller like this and I'm over my phone because I got big hands, but this will bring it up out of the way and I can angle it so I don't have direct sunlight reflection, which is really cool. And it wasn't that expensive. It was like 20 bucks. And so far the construction looks pretty good. Like this is adjustable. You know, you don't want to torque this down too hard. Just, I'll probably leave it all the way down. That's going to be high enough. But yeah, that's going to be pretty damn cool. Alright guys, another accessory for the Spark. The only thing that I'd really like to get on the way is a case for all of this. Easy to transport. I got something really cool coming for the channel. A new build and something that I used to have that I miss having that's going to be coming back. And we'll have some adventures. And I think I might create myself an account with my wife on Instagram to post pictures of stuff that we're going to be taking because that's really cool. And that's it. I need a case for this, and I would like to get a pack to recharge my controller and spare batteries for the Spark. That's all I'm missing, and then it will be fucking perfect. All right, guys. Sorry for the big language, but it happens when you're a 35-year-old man. Soon my birthday, March 28th. This will probably be uploaded a little later because I don't upload videos the exact day because 6 kids and dishes. All right, guys, I'm out. Peace. Love you. Bye.